Hello friends, today in this video I will share some best tips with you to improve your English language. With the help of these tips, I think that you will improve and increase your vocabulary and also your speaking skills. So please stay with me in this video, watch this video till end so that you never miss any point during the discussion. First of all, I think that you should improve the health of your brain. If your brain is healthy, because you know that healthy brain thinks good things, and if you are not healthy and you are always feeling sickness, due to this your brain will not work properly. You will not think the proper things. In this way you will lose the interest to learn anything. When your brain is fresh, you are thinking very good, and your brain health is improving day by day, then any language which you are willing to learn, I think that you can learn that language very easily. Otherwise, if you have the sick brain, not healthy brain, then you will face a lot of problem if you are willing to learn or improve any kind of thing. So consider about your brain health first of all. Second thing is become a better learner, because when you try and you will lack the interest, then you will not become a better learner. For becoming better learner, I think that interest is required, dedication is required. If you are innovative towards the things, you will do new things, then your interest will increase and you will do more hard work. When you will set a goal ahead, that after learning the language you will do some wonderful things, then I think that you will work with the great enthusiasm. Otherwise you will lose the interest, then it's not good for any kind of thing which you are willing to achieve. So I think that you should work to become a better learner. Other thing is, third thing which I am going to discuss, that confidence. Confidence is the key to success. If you lack the confidence, then having lot of vocabulary, having great knowledge inside you, you would do nothing. You have seen that there are some people, those with less knowledge, but they have the confidence, they do the wonder. But the others, those have the knowledge, great vocabulary, thinking power, but they lose the confidence. When it comes to speak, they feel shy, they try to quit, they fail. So I think that build your confidence, work on your confidence. Don't feel shy. If you are willing to learn the language, you will have to speak in front of the masses, no matter how many gatherings. You should try to speak. If you will lose confidence, this will not good for you. So I think that you should work on your confidence. And with the confidence, you should be open minded, broad minded, because you know that a broad mind thinks a lot, thinks new things. That mind is innovative kind of mind, and with such kind of mind, I think that you can explore the world, you can discover new things. So I think that you should be open minded, because you have seen some people very congested kind of mind, they think very narrow, their mind is not broadened. So if you want to improve yourself, if you want to work on high level, then you should be then you should be open-minded. With the help of open-minded, you can do wonders in the world. So work on this also. Other thing is that make new friends. If you are willing to explore things, willing to improve your language, especially the English language, you know that this is international language. Through this language you can communicate all over the world. If you don't know this language, you will not be able to make new friends, and then you will chat with them, discuss about each other cultures, thinkings, and other lot of things. So I think that you should build a relationship with the international community, friends of your mind, those know the English language, foreigner people. When you will make friendship with them, I think that you will communicate with them, and with the help of that communication you will improve your English. You can communicate through pen friendship, you can write letters. Other way, the social media is available. With the help of this medium, you can communicate. You can talk through voice messages. You can discuss through written messages. So many platforms. Opportunity is available. Only thing is that your interest. If you are interested to improve and learn the English language, platform is ready. You have no excuses about the platform. There were the excuses in previous time, because at that time there were no platforms, and those people who are willing to improve their language, they have to face, at that time they had to face a lot of problems. Right now platform is ready in the form of social media. You can get any kind of help from this medium. If you want to explore, if you want to discover the world, if you want to improve yourself, if you want to spread your knowledge, if you want to spread your business throughout the world, then I think that you can get help from social media, and with the common language. English is the common language, and this language will help you to promote your business, to promote your talent, whatever talent you have. Everybody have different kinds of talents, and they can grow their talent on international level with the help of this language. So I think that these tips will help you to improve yourself, to grow your talent, and discover the new world. Hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button, subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.